So one of the biggest FAQs that we get is, what exactly do I get with my Sprout membership? So it all starts with your marketing plan, and that's through the Sprout calendar. Now that calendar isn't just any ordinary calendar. It has live links where you can literally click and download a resource to put that idea into action immediately. We also send out weekly emails with those actionables to break down your month. Now beyond that, you get all of your deliverables, 500 plus digital graphics for all of your social media needs. So think Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google+. You can also use it on your website and even in your email marketing. Now beyond that, you have access to 250 instant downloads. These help you to implement the pillar touchpoints at your community. So think follow-up, referrals, renewals, all of your outreach marketing, your welcome notices, any resident notices, and everything in between. You also get all the resources to implement killer events at your community, plus all the fun things that go with it. Now beyond that, we give you 25 plus stock photos that are created especially for multifamily. So they're not these cheesy stock photos, they represent real apartment life. In addition, you can access the Sprout members site, and there you can get thousands of designs customized specifically for your community. You'll also find things like postcards, bandit signs, newsletters, sales sheets, and so much more. So are you ready to take your marketing and retention to the next level? Well, there you have it. That's everything that you get for being a Sprout member.